44 billion. That's the price that Elon Musk is buying Twitter at. And his plan is to take the company private. Oh, but why? So today we're going to talk about the differences. According to the Corporate Finance Institute report, reporting requirement is a major reason. Public disclosure requirements are the main difference between two types of businesses and a major drawback of being public. So as a public listed company in the US, you are required to file the quarterly financial report, which is 10Q, and annual report, which is 10K, and several other disclosure documents. Many business decisions must be made while considering the reaction from the shareholders. Oh, please do not damage the stock price. So that's why some entrepreneurs prefer not to be tied up or monitored. So that's why there are so many successful businesses who remain private for even long time, for even a century. Another difference is the access to capital and the liquidity. So being able to access public market to raise new money, as well as the benefit of liquidity, that's really the biggest benefit for being a public company. When a business undergoes an IPO with the aid of investment banking professionals, it becomes much easier for it to raise additional funds. The funds can be used for growth, mergers and acquisitions, or other corporate purposes. Once the company is listed, investors can easily move in and out of the stock by buying and selling shares that trades on the stock exchange. When they need money, they sell to raise funds. When the corporate feel that the stock is undervalued or they have excess cash, they will repurchase the stock. So at last, the difference is the valuation of the private versus public companies kind of different. As we said, public traded businesses are much easier for market analysts and investors to value them than their private counterparts. The main reason is due to the amount of information that's readily available to the public, thanks to the reporting requirements as discussed before, and as well as the equity research reports and the coverage by the equity research analyst. However, for a private company, it will be almost impossible without access to the internal company information. But why still there are so many people who are interested in private business? One is because of the freedom. There's no reporting requirements, and then there's no shareholder scrutiny. There's no pressure from the outside to affect the business decisions inside, right? Another way is to say there's more potential because of more freedom. Entrepreneurs can do and can execute the strategies they want as they wish, and therefore it could potentially create more growth potential for the business. So I guess that maybe that's why Elon Musk is trying to take Twitter private and do what he wants to do. Of course, he want to be free in freedom, right, in the social media. So maybe that's good. So let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.